What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable cookie tracking on your Google Chrome browser. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Cookie tracking is a common practice that websites use to collect information about your browsing behavior and preferences. While they can be useful for improving your online experience, such as keeping you signed in, remembering your site settings, and showing you relevant content, some cookies can also pose privacy risks, as they can be used by third-party advertisers and trackers to monitor your online activity and target you with ads. To disable cookie tracking, open up your Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. While on the Settings page, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab located on the left side. Here, under the Privacy and Security section, click on Third-Party Cookies. By default, cookie tracking will be set to block third-party cookies in incognito mode. To completely disable cookie tracking on Google Chrome, proceed to check the Block Third-Party Cookies option. Afterward, proceed to disable the Allow related sites to use your activity in the group option. Next, make sure that the Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic option is toggled on. Confirm your decision if prompted. In case you previously allowed cookie tracking and now want to delete all that data, then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. On this page, click on the Delete All Data button, and all your tracked cookies and data on Google Chrome will be permanently deleted. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.